Well, it was pouring down rain last night, so I slept in the car. So I'm just walking down the wharf and holy Moby! Serious teepees on you. Whoa, he's got his sailboat in his eyeball. Little seabird. What's up, bud? How's it going, bud? There's a whole bunch of poop / bubbles. Oh, we got dolphins! 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 Jeff, how's it going this morning, bud? Oh, come on, don't be bashful. Jeez, like you always got somewhere to go. Guys, happy Turkey Day. I'm over here with Martin, fellow van lifer. Hooked him up with some Cotton Cruise gear.
On the crew, baby.
Woo,
On
woo.
the cruise.
So check out these palm trees. You see how they're all going this way? Over here, the land cools faster than the sea. Well, guys, it's been about a week. It's about that time. Shower time. First step, I'm going to the Pacific. Pacific, here I come. Let's go. Well, that was a gas right there. Best one I've ever had. So I'm working out in my undies. Doing some squats. Getting my booty pumping. Well, I might as well wash my undies while I'm at it. It's good. It's a good thing. Dang it. GoPro, stop recording. Oh yeah! Showers by Bo, cafeteria style. Happy Turkey Day.